Welcome. My name's Brian Knight. I live near Melbourne, Australia, and it's 5:06 a.m. Hey, Tom, I'm a little bit late. I was preoccupied with something.
That's right. I'm
Uh,
29.95 a minute, so
so yeah, the posting on the unemployment rates very interesting.
yeah, it didn't move much, huh?
Yeah,
I
well,
was I was actually expecting quite a kick.
yeah, well, I think that's yet to come. There's uh, there's a bit more to happen, I think. Here as well, one of the major banks, we've got four major banks only. Well, yeah, and one of them's going to cut 3,500 jobs. They say not frontline, but the AI is going to take over, and they want everything to be digital, and it's like they don't have to do anything. It's all just done in the background by computers. People don't have to do anything anyway. So, welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just noting trade sessions group are the class educational only. That's because we help people help each other and we're not financial advisors. So, if you're going to take any trades, just make sure you're happy with your own analysis of it and taking whatever that trade is. There is a full risk disclosure, a bit about us as live session traders. Right. Let's look at the chart. Well, I can't believe this AUD still, but anyway, that's because CAD's um, not doing too well at the moment. It certainly spiked that off and back again. That's a big move, that a big move from down here up. It's 185 pips or so. Anyway, I'm waiting for the turn. See, that could be happening later this week or early next. All right, AUD and CHF. Now, I was going to get into this as a sell. I just was a bit like after it did that 1, 2, 3, and we got a little gold. Yesterday, I did say that this would probably disappear, but it didn't. And prices pushed back up a bit. So yeah, I'm not really too convinced. I mean, the daily's got it buying up. So, uh, and not something I want to necessarily come in. Welcome, Darren.
Right.
All right. It's going to take a while. It's going to take a while to get that scar to settle down, isn't it, really?
Well,
Been using a bit of
I'm
vitamin E on it or...
going to see if I can get. Well, I've got to get stitches out. Yeah, so I'm going to see if I get those taken out tomorrow.
Oh,
That's the plan, anyway. I can't book an appointment to do that. I've just got to go to the. Just got to walk up to the what we call walk-in centre. See the nurse, and she'll check it. And once those are out, I can start. You know,
getting back in the ring.
yeah.
Okay. Right.
Start the cream that's supposed to magically make the scar go away.
Oh, come on, mate. This is a battle scar. You don't
Battle
want to...
scar, yeah.
Yeah, battle scar. You don't want to... Look what I got while I was trading. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah,
my, my,
if I
my,
could just give you a little advice, because I've got a nice 14-inch scar down my leg. The trick is to keep it wet. Whatever lotion that is they give you, use it really liberally,
Yeah, yeah.
constantly, because as it just starts to heal, the moisture will soften the tissue,
All
the
right.
blood will come around it quicker, and it won't be as stark
Yeah.
when it heals. So
Right.
just use a lot of it.
Yeah. All right, okay.
what, how did you get your scar, Tom?
Oh, I had a motorcycle accident, broke my leg.
Ah,
Yeah,
right.
yeah. I got a nice big steel plate running down the side of my leg.
Did the bone come out?
I don't know. I didn't look at it.
Oh, okay, right.
I literally and I say this seriously, I was hysterically laughing from the time I'd stood up and got to the hospital and they put me under. I never looked at my leg because I was laughing too hard. I couldn't see. I was crying with laughter. I was hysterically laughing. Everything was hilarious to me. I wasn't in pain. I wasn't in shock. It was like just straight comedy. I couldn't control the
Okay.
laughter. Weirdest thing I've ever been through.
Amazing what the body does. It really is.
Yeah, and the guy's bike that I crashed because I was test driving it to buy it. He had
Oh,
to he had to drive me to the he had to drive me to the hospital, and we worked together. So he decided to fuck with me, and he was swerving in and out of parked cars in my new truck, and I'm laughing hysterically going down the road, thinking he's going to kill me at any moment, trying to be funny. It was just the most ridiculous thing I'd ever been through. Got to the hospital, and the doctor's like, he's standing there eating a sandwich in front of me. He's like, yeah, I just came off a shift. I can't operate till tomorrow. We're going to put you out for the night. And I was like, okay. And I woke up and I was basically in the operating room. And they were like, okay, count back from 10. I was out. And the next thing I did, I woke up and I'm in the hospital room uh, recovering. And the guy across from me in the other side of the bed on the other side of the wall, we were kind of facing each other. You know what I mean?
yeah, yeah,
And two
yeah.
weeks late, 2 weeks before that, I had helped that guy get his
Oh,
vehicle unstuck out of the snow because he wanted to go skiing. And when he came back, something I forget what happened, but when he came back from skiing, he broke his leg and we ended up in the hospital at the same time. What a trip. It was just what an experience.
geez, Darren, running into a glass door just doesn't take it anymore, mate.
No, just a
Ah,
just a
hell, that was
man,
just a week for me.
just a minor mishap for me.
Minor affliction. Nah, yeah, but at least you'll see. Tom's got a sort of show leg to get a bit of. See, you got it on your face, so
Yeah,
no problems. You can
Yeah,
tell him it was when an EA crashed or something.
yeah, that's right. Yeah,
I got them on my
Anyway,
face too. That's why I know about them scars.
oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're all got a few scars if we've done a few Ks,
absolutely.
I tell you.
Great stories, man.
Right, AUD Well, no, I'm not going anywhere near at the minute. Right, AUD Are you still stuck in those trades, Darren? When we get to Euro USD?
Euro USD. Well, drawdown's down to about 5% now, so it's come down quite
Oh,
a
it's
bit.
coming the other way. Okay, good.
So it did sort of hit about 10. I think it might have just hit 11%.
Right,
But
and now it's drawn back a bit.
yeah,
Oh, you'll have to give us the overall, what, because you've got the dates you started each one, have you? And then,
yeah,
yeah, no, that's all right. No, 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 no. We'll just see. It's like, yeah, anyway, ADJPY, we're looking at some sort of pullback on this one before it really it doesn't look promising to me at the moment until we can get that pullback in the daily and it's sort of then going to take off. AUD NZD. Oh, that was a nice push back up. So drop and a push back up now. That's good. Let's see where we're at. But it is today for me is Wednesday, so it's your Tuesday. So yours is a Tuesday to Thursday, Tom, isn't it? That's your main sort of potential taking trade days.
Yes. Now my week
Yeah.
for finding a trade going in the right direction starts.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
And
yeah.
with Thursday coming with big news on Thursday,
Yeah,
it's going to be it's going to be wild
yeah, okay.
to say the
Yeah, no
least.
worries. No worries. All right. So 80 NZD. I'm not that one there. Still pushing up at the moment. So we've got this pullback before. What do we got on here? What's the weekly doing again? Yeah, well, that's buying up as well, isn't it? Okay. Right. Look at this a bit closer. Hmm. We I think it's going to come down further, to be honest. So I've got no gold sort of indicator here at the moment for this. All right. Sit there and watch that one for the minute. AUD and Singapore, you don't trade it. That one's going off as well. All right. Well, look at that. It push up and then pull back down again. I think I'm going to wait for that sell out if we can. AUD USD. Oh, I'm going to come up and match out here. I think it's going to break it though. So I might look at this as a buy in here. Probably late to the party on it though, but it came back down to there, then pushed. Yeah, I think it's going to break that there. Probably not a lot in it. Anyway, I'll see how it pans out from just before, I think before London opens. I'll see where it's at. I don't think it'll move a lot potentially. Well, it looks like it's below current, like because of this, it's pushed up and then back again, which means price is below where the completed brick is. And that was Tuesdays. Okay. Okay. CAD CHF. Oh God, they dropped off. Pushing back up again now though. Once we get a gold indicator here, I'll probably like to get into the sell on it, but I'm not, it's not ready for me to do it. All right. So CAD J is still in this time. Was it this one you're in? No,
Uh,
I think it was CHF maybe.
no, I think you're right. I was, and then I think I
Yeah.
got out.
Oh,
I
you got
did.
out. Okay.
I did. Well, I mean, I profited just slightly, but I got out.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's jumping around a bit. And I don't know whether it's worth getting into that. I'd rather sort of wait for it to get that larger sort of drop out that because it's already created swing high, pulled down, back up, didn't break, created a lower high and now pushed down. I think it will break down below, but um, and then push back up. I'm waiting for this longer term. It's got a fair bit to push back down. Okay, patience. Maybe next week even. CHFJPY. Right. Well, let's see when we get that gold indicator for that buy up. That's where I want. It came up, it matched, it pushed up, pulled back down. It's probably going to come back down. I think this is where you were saying, Tom, you were talking about it coming back down to here somewhere because of that wick on that brick there. Come back down, take that
It's the lack of wick on that blue one.
down here.
Yeah.
Oh, you reckon it'll come down to there even and then go back up? Okay. Right, yeah. If it makes it.
Yeah, but
See
this.
how it goes. It might be good to put a. Oh, sorry, Tom.
Oh no, I was just going to say. But simply put, I'm looking at this because it didn't break. I'm sorry, it swept the high.
Yeah, yeah, it did. Yeah,
So now, if this is going to keep going up, it's going to fail somewhere uh, around this white box at the bottom.
yeah, right. Okay.
So don't necessarily count on that green line being accurate.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
If this
What?
just swept this liquidity and we're going to push up, it's going to come back and sweep that liquidity at the bottom
Yeah, okay.
or fail to get it.
Yeah.
Somewhere in here, we're going to get a turn.
So
And
that's what
when
I'm
this, and
thinking.
when,
If you do a buy stop, right? If you put a buy stop in and then you actually move it down every brick, or if you got two bricks or whatever your margin wants to be, um, or you just sit and wait for a gold indicator for it to come back up. It's one of the yeah. I'm just thinking about strategy.
okay, so if it gives me a gold brick in here,
Hmm.
let's say three more candles, one, two, three, and the
Yeah,
line's still blue and I get a gold brick, I'm going to
yeah,
take the buy out.
yeah.
However, I'm not going to look at this buy until this trend line has at least turned white
Oh,
inside
right.
this
Okay.
box,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
that means price will have passed this blue line
yeah, yeah,
and then pushed out.
yeah. Okay.
Or it's going to push down, pull back up, fail at the 50%, and come back down.
Just like it did here, where it's
Exactly.
come down and pushed back, played
Right.
around, and then took off.
Right. So because you've got that sweep of liquidity at the top here,
Yeah, yeah,
and you got a gold bar, the only
yeah,
way I would take a buy right now is if it's going to break that red wick
yeah.
at the
This
top.
one.
At the
Oh, this
top.
one up top.
That's
Okay.
the only way I would take a buy.
Okay.
Everything else down here below, I'm waiting for the pullback to finish because I don't know where it's going to pull back to or finish. But I
Yeah.
know it's within my range. I want to catch it whatever this trend line is, blue or white, coming out of the end of this box is what you're looking for.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Because that's going to give us our higher push. Now, see on your left, on your daily,
See the weekly is
yeah, see the weekly says it
charger.
wants to buy, right?
Yeah, and so does the daily.
And so does the daily. So if we're looking
Yeah,
at a buy, I'm looking at this sweeping the top of the liquidity on the left,
yeah,
coming
yeah, yeah,
back down
yeah,
somewhere 50% of this move
yeah, yeah, yeah. To be able
and
to,
buying
yeah,
it back up.
you're right. Back down to the trend line, turn it white, and then potentially turn around and go back up.
Right.
Yeah, and you'll get it. Then we'll get a gold bar, and then we know we can potentially
We'll get
grab
a
that
gold
too.
bar and then it'll
Yeah,
push, it'll do a pullback, create a wick,
yeah, yeah,
do a pullback, the wick will fail and it'll push and
yeah,
it'll be a knuckle sitting there, just like down to your left.
yeah, yeah.
See the knuckle sitting there on that long push up?
This one
The
here.
blue one to the left.
Uh,
Blue one to the
oh,
left.
that one
Way
there.
left.
Oh, further.
Well, no, right
No,
there.
in there. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I can't even see your. Oh, there's your mouse. Okay, down to your left. You see the gold bar? To your
Left.
left. Down to your left. Way down to your left.
Oh, over there.
Yeah. So you see do you see where it starts knuckling?
Yeah,
Knuckle, knuckle,
yeah.
knuckle, knuckle, knuckle. It's because it can't create a bar. It's resisting. So
Right, yeah, yeah.
when you're looking at buying this kind of stuff, when it pulls up here and it starts showing, oh, it's got a gold bar, it's going to start pushing down. It doesn't
Yeah.
mean it's going to push down. What you're looking for are those knuckles, because then you're going in the direction of your trend line.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah. But well, in this situation, it could have had a gold bar and then it takes it out and then pushes, it
Creates
disappears
another
and
gold bar,
yeah, yeah.
doesn't
Yeah,
keep,
yeah.
takes
Yeah,
it
yeah,
out,
correct.
so on and so
Correct.
forth.
Yeah,
Right.
correct. Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's what you're looking for on this right side. So this pushback, wherever
Yeah.
this
Well, that could
pushback
have been
happens,
done that in here as well, even with this. Like you see these two rows of three there.
right, and just above it, there's another knuckle.
Yeah, this one in here. Yeah.
So is this now going to come back, tap this, and use it as a push off,
Yeah,
Going
yeah,
to
yeah.
keep going up? If so, I'm going to grab it above that red wick because this is going to
Yeah,
be
this one.
a
Yeah.
knuckle.
Yeah,
And then it's
okay.
going to continue off.
Mm. But it tends to, like on the Tuesday to Thursday, it tends to run more than it tends to run rather than creating this up, down, up, down. This tends to be,
Yeah,
you know,
they're just collecting till the time they want to move it.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what, but
And
I'm
they're
just
going to move it
saying
around news.
they tend to be around the end of the week or the start of the week. These sorts of they not exactly, but
Right.
that's the
So
sort of,
as I go into this week, knowing I'm going to have big news on Thursday, big
yeah, yeah,
news,
yeah.
I'm going to let this play out till the last minute. So if it's pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, I'm going to
Mm,
wait till the last minute for a
mm,
reversal.
mm, mm-hmm. Yeah, good.
If it continues down, I just miss it or I get in or whatever the case may be. But as we're going into this and things start shifting to the point where they kind of can't get out of it, it's gonna have to push in that direction.
Yeah,
That's the trades I'm looking for.
yeah, yeah,
So for example, this is going to push back into the center of this box this week.
yeah. That's what
So
I'm
when that
saying.
news hits, we're going to get a Wednesday push here. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday push. When
Mm,
that news hits Thursday, it's going to create a gold box, bam, and we're back out. Or
mhm,
it's gonna only get pulled down so far, pull back, not break this red wick, and then
mhm.
Thursday's going to hit and it's going to push hard down. It's like leading up to that moment. Do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah, no, I do. If you look over in the data, it's already tried to push down over here. Like that's where it's done. It was
Right.
up, up. We had the gap. It's filled the gap
Yep.
because there's a gap. There was a gap in here. Market open, bang, it was up there, and then it filled the gap, pushing down. So how much further will it push down? Maybe to the trend line over here, and then push its way back out again.
Exactly.
Well, potentially. I mean, if it keeps going down, fair enough. But what we're looking for is that because the daily, the weekly, and even the lower time frame has a potential continuation of buy. So that's what we want. We want to,
Okay. So you
if
see
it
your
does,
do you see your white Tuesday box there?
this one here.
Yeah. Drag that over to the
Yeah.
center gold one. Two bricks up.
Oh, okay. That one.
That one.
Do you want the bottom back up too?
Yeah, just that one brick.
Oh, just that. Okay.
And then drag that over. If it forms a gold brick here underneath that, it's rocketing.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know what you mean. Hmm.
Because that
Yeah.
is technically the new high
Yeah, this
with
is
the one with the red
correct.
wick.
Yeah. Yeah. It is
So
new high.
now
You can see
these
over
are
here.
all supporting rules basically that it's
Yeah,
going to
but
have to beat.
I think you're right. It has to come down, take out, this imbalance that's in between here, which is, probably down to the 50%, and then push itself off again.
Right, because there's
We'll see
a
how it
time
goes.
gap.
I'm not saying it will do that, but it looks potentially like that. Depends on what the timing is for it, and how far it'll move. Anyway,
Right, but you
okay.
see how you can see it now?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah. All right then. Euro. Let's go Euros. Yeah, keep going because that one will need to. It's just patience. All of this, isn't it?
I just
Whoa.
got in this one.
Yeah, for the sellout.
Yep.
Mm. Mm.
Look at your daily.
Yeah, no, I can see it. What's it doing on that weekly as well?
Yep.
Okay, so everything's going in that direction.
Yep.
Yeah, okay. So you got triggered in, did you?
Yeah.
Okay. Good stuff.
Yeah. I mean, for me, it's perfect because I took my, let's see, I am, where am I exactly?
Well, it's
Okay. I
two.
am right there. So one brick basically where
Hmm.
it's being created now, the bottom of that brick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right there's my entry. And my stop is at the 50% line.
Right. Okay. Back up here. Yeah. We're pushed back up there. Yeah. Okay.
Now it's either going to
Mm.
go and everything
Break the
weekly,
low.
daily, and the 2 hour all saying it's selling.
Hmm.
So let's see how far it goes.
Yeah.
So once it triggered me in, blink, now my stop loss is up here at the top because I don't have to worry about spread or anything else.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have anything on your AUD, Darren, in any of the EAs?
No, I don't.
Okay, no worries. That's all right.
Yeah.
Just wondering. Oh yeah, okay. So in that one, I've got that as yep, need to do something with it. EuroCAD. Now that to me looks like it's going to fall off a cliff sometime. I don't think it's quite ready on the 2 hour though. Gotta watch that one.
Now,
That doesn't come back. See, the thing is, the issue I have at the moment is the CAD's really weak. What have we got down here? What's this news? Oh, yes, the interest rate decision where they're not going to change the interest. Okay. They'll probably make it euro stronger even. Yeah, look at this. Look at this W up in here. Double top. Potentially that's what's going to happen. So what's the weekly saying on this one too? No. Well, there's a discrepancy, isn't it? Daily saying it's going to sell out, the weekly say it's going to buy. Oh yeah. Leave that one for the minute. Euro CHF. Whoa, look at it come right down to here. It's just playing around at the moment. Mm. Made a new high there. Down below the 50. Where's price now? Down here. Are you seeing that turning into a buy, Tom?
am I saying that?
Are you seeing that?
Oh, uh, Euro CHF.
Yeah.
I'm looking at it as a 2 hour buy, yes,
Yeah. Okay.
but I only look at it to come back up so
Take out the
far.
top. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
What have we got
because
here on a
we
weekly?
have a previous lower high.
And
So if
what's
we're
the
going to make a
weekly?
new lower low, it has to push back up first.
See, but yeah, so there's the issue. You see, the weekly saying it's going to sell out.
And the daily says it's going to sell out.
No, the daily saying it's going to buy. Mine does. What's yours?
No, mine's the same as yours.
Well, that's a buy, right? On the
No,
daily.
no,
No.
not till you get at the bottom because this could still push down.
Oh yeah. That's just uh, correct. I understand that, but the green at the moment is pointing up. That's what I'm saying. The weekly though, if you go the weekly, it's diving back down.
Right.
Mine is. So there's like,
Right.
so it's saying that the weekly saying, well, over a longer period, much longer period of time, it's going to continue to sell. But the daily is saying, well, we're going to buy back up.
Yes. Go back to your weekly.
Yeah, we'll do. Mm. Yep.
So the weekly is saying it's going to sell.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Can you shrink that down just a little bit?
yeah, absolutely. Um, you mean like that? Is that okay?
Right. Right. Okay. Can you put a fib on from your high to your low here?
You want it from here
No,
down.
just from the recent short down.
Ah, okay, from here down
Yeah.
there. Yep, can do. Yep.
Great. Go to the daily.
Okay. So it's saying it's going to push up to the 61.9 and then come off.
Right. Now shrink down your 2 hour.
Yeah. Well, but it won't show the fib on
Don't
there.
need to.
Oh,
Don't need
so
to. So now put your fib on from your high to your low on this one. Adjust your fib down here at the bottom.
mm, hang on a minute. Oh no, it'll be there. Yeah, okay. It's there. Okay. It's that. So you want that. Oh,
Now you always take the inside brick.
yeah. Anyway, we'll do it there. Yep.
Exactly. Okay. So if you see this, the on the higher time frame, it says it's pushing down, right?
On the weekly, yeah.
On the weekly, it says it's pushing down. So what you're looking
Yeah.
for is a pullback for the push for the before the push down. So on
Yep.
your daily, it's saying it's going to come up and tap the 618.
Yeah.
It may even pull back and push up further to the 88. You don't know. So
Hmm.
on the lower time frames, when you drag this white box across,
Hmm.
drag your 50% box across,
Yeah.
what you're looking for is to buy out of this box because that's the pullback that you see on the daily.
Yeah.
And if it's going down, then it's going to have to go out this other side of the box. And all you do is keep focusing 50% on this box on these moves. And eventually that trend line is going to have to change inside this box to go out one side. And as Darren
Hmm.
said 1,000 times, these prices always come back to these trend lines. So follow your trend line. Even if you don't catch this move up to the 88, it's going to have to come back to inside this box or tap the top of the box and take off. So it's not like you're going to miss the trade, just be in the right direction of
Yeah.
the trade.
That's all you need, the right direction. That's correct.
That's why you have your trend lines on there. In fact, do yourself a favor, uh, get rid of that uh, CM trend line, the red and the green one.
Oh, you don't want that?
Yeah, just turn it off. You don't need it. Let's just clean up that screen. And the X48, you don't need that either. Let's just clean up your screen. Yep. Perfect. So there you go. Now you know it's going to push back up here to get that 88 on I'm sorry, the 619 on your side on the
Mhm.
daily, and this is what the 2 hours going to do to help get it there. That's all it's telling you is it's just like we're all in agreement here. This is what's going to happen. So now you decide where and when you want to get into the trade if you want to get into one at all.
Mhm. Green wick down there. Okay. So it's going to do a turn at some point and come on up here. Okay.
Right. So my trade is set up. Would you get a placeholder for me for a buy?
Yeah, yeah, sure, we'll do. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Uh, from the bottom of the green wick, it has already created
This
at
one
the
down
bottom.
here.
Yep, right there is my entry. The stop loss is at the bottom of the green wick off the gold block.
Something like that.
Something like that. Okay, now grab another fib.
Price is going to have to come down past there. Oh, unless you've got a limit order.
A
But
limit
you
order.
you do have a limit order.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I'd be
So
waiting for it to come down and then put in it, but you'd have to be there. Yeah, okay. So you want
right.
another
So
fib.
grab a
Okay,
fib and go
gotcha.
from
Yeah.
the top gold block to the bottom gold block.
From there to there, you reckon?
Yeah. Now flip your fib over.
Yeah.
Okay, now adjust your entry on the placeholder to the 88. All right, now you can move your stop loss at the bottom 50% of that green wick. No, 50% of that green wick.
Well, it is because the green wick comes out of that
Oh no,
bar.
just from the portion that's showing.
The visible part of
Yeah,
the
just like that.
okay.
So that's my trade.
With a limit order.
Yes.
Okay.
It's just got to come down, tap me in, not beat that bottom.
Yeah.
And away we go. On the daily, we have a two failed time, two attempts on the daily
Yeah.
to make a
Yeah.
new lower low.
Yeah.
So it's going to have some sort of pullback. And if you look at the top where it swept liquidity at the top,
Yeah.
now you have now those two gold bars
Uh-huh.
are a double top.
Yeah.
So now that's a new target.
Hmm. Right. And then it looks like it wants to create another double up here somewhere.
Right.
Okay. All right. I think what I'd be yeah, anyway. Yeah. Good. All right then. Euro GBP. Okay. Oh, good too. We've got to keep going. We've got to keep pushing along. What do we got here? We're going to ask you a couple of questions before we finish too. just think about it. What's your best karaoke song? All right. Just, um, right. And do you eat pineapple on pizza? That's another question.
In Italy they don't, but in the US they do, don't they?
Yeah. And what
Love
about
it.
you? What about
They don't
oh,
Love it.
they don't have proper pizza in the US, do they? Proper Italian pizza. It's
hang
all
on a minute.
these deep pan rubbish, isn't it? In the US. Not
What
the
do you
proper
have?
sort of thin
What do you have with
sourdough base that you
what
get in
what do you
Italy.
have with the UK?
Both mixture of everything.
Yeah, mix. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll look at it like this. Tomato is actually a fruit, so I don't have any problems. I put plenty of tomato on a pizza. That's the on the top of the base, so I can't
Love
see any
tomatoes
problem.
actually. We
Sorry,
tried growing them this year for the first time. My wife did.
what you do?
Tried growing tomatoes for the first time. Yeah, they did all right actually.
Oh
Just a
yeah,
bit of
no,
an experiment at the moment, but yeah, we get a greenhouse
okay.
next
Yeah,
year.
yeah.
Start growing more of them.
Bloody hell. EAs plus a greenhouse. Like, mate,
Yeah,
you're going way out there.
yeah. I've just been
Unbelievable. All right.
looking at drawings for an extension, the house as well. As you've been
Oh,
chatting
God.
through Euro
Oh,
GBP.
oh, dear me. Okay, right, yeah. Right, yeah.
Right.
It's random,
And
isn't
I've
it?
just been fixing an issue with the Happy Gold. I had to reinstall it.
Oh,
There's a problem with the VPS. Got a
oh,
notification that they had to I don't know, do something, reboot the VPS or something, or
yeah,
so advised you to go, to check your terminals and everything
yeah.
running okay, and so they'd all sort of turned off. Um, so the things you've got to keep an eye on really. So that, well,
Yeah.
cut a long story short, the Happy Goal out to just drag it back onto the
Onto the
MT4.
yeah.
When you do that, you've got to put uh, the code in the code that they
Oh
send in.
yeah. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. The unique security code, whatever the
Yeah.
pass key or something.
Yeah.
Um, which is basically
Your license.
your lifetime subscription. I'm just coming up expired key. So what's going on here? But I was putting the wrong one in. They'd since sent me a when you first sign up, you get sort of what's your month free trial they call it. So you've effectively got a
Oh, because they've got yeah, yeah,
temporary
yeah, yeah.
code, and then at the
Yeah,
end of that that gets replaced. They send you a lifetime one, so you
yeah.
finish the refund.
Yeah, yeah,
Gone.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
I was trying to put the original one in again, so I didn't know what was going on.
yeah.
So I emailed them, they emailed me back, so I was just fixing that as well while she was chatting, because I noticed I haven't had any pending orders at all in the goals. I thought something
Right.
right here. I'm getting invalid message. Not it's just
It's amazing what a knock on the head will do, isn't it,
yeah,
Darren?
that's right, yeah. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Right. Yeah. Well, Euro GBP. A bit messy for me that one. Euro JPY. Okay. I don't like that either. Tell us, Tom, if you're looking at these differently. Euro NZD also. I'm not too happy
I'm
about at the
looking getting
moment.
into this one.
You are, yeah. Okay. Let's sell it.
Hmm.
Okay. You're waiting for a pullback or
Whatever's going to
rid
happen.
of
My
that?
entries. I'm looking at my entry being down here at that knuckle.
Yeah, yeah, down in here. Yeah.
Yeah. So all I'm looking for is this to push. If it beats it, great. If it pulls
Yep.
back, great. Whatever's going to
Yeah,
happen,
yeah.
and then
Well,
I'm
you
going to
look
look
at
for the short out of it
okay,
if I
nice.
want that bigger move on the higher time frame.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, I think you're right too. But Yeah, it looks like it's going to do a push up and maybe even come up like that high time frame saying it might even break the high.
Hmm.
Yeah, okay. Euro Singapore, you don't trade that. No, it doesn't look too good either. Euro USD. Right, now, here we go. This is where the news is coming in. Didn't you say Thursday?
Yep, I'm in this. It triggered me in
What, for the buy in
for the
the
buy,
short term?
for the buy. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
daily and weekly are saying this thing's going to shoot on my side.
To buy.
Yeah,
So my daily is saying selling out.
sure.
All
Where's your
right.
weekly say?
Okay. And the weekly saying selling out.
There you go.
Well, there I am going. I'm
Yeah.
not getting
So
into a buy. It's going
so
to be,
okay, but you got to understand these are weeklies and dailies,
yeah,
right?
I know. I understand that.
So if you put your fib on from your high to your low, look at where it came back to. Is it the 618 or the 88 on your daily?
Uh, 88. Come back to the 88.
Has it?
Yeah. Are you're talking fib in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's the 88 for sure. Hang on. Let me just grab it. Oop, gotta flip it. What am I doing? Yeah, come up, touch the 88. I said that already.
Oh, I'm looking on a higher time frame. That's why. I'm sorry, a bigger scale, I should
Yeah,
say. I'm looking from.
it's
Can you
definitely come
shrink
to the
that down?
88 and then it's dropped off. So I think it's going to sell, but
Okay.
that's okay.
So
But
can
it
you?
may push up to break the high. It may break the high over here, and you could be into it. That's right. But the problem I've got is that price has already pushed down past the last thing. Depends on what we get here. Anyway, sorry, you were going to say.
Well, I was going to say all I was going to say was if you'll shrink down the left side a lot, like a lot.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah. Yep, like that much
Uh, yeah. So I'm looking from the high to the low.
on that one. Okay. Well, I think it's come
This
up
is all
close.
internal.
Yeah, yeah, but this is all come back. Yeah, it's internal to that. That's right. So I can put one on there.
Or just expand this one for the minute. Oh, okay.
Hmm,
Either way.
we'll just do that.
Okay.
It hasn't quite come to the 88, but
Exactly.
oh, now you want. Okay, right now.
That's what I'm saying. It could come back to the 88 because everything on my
Yeah,
side is showing
yeah, okay.
that we're going to continue to push up to the 88. So even though this shows it tapped up to the 88, doesn't mean this is where it's going to turn to come back down.
Yeah, that makes sense. That's right. You're absolutely true.
So if it makes a new high here and turns this into the halfway point,
Yeah. See where the green line on the 2 hours is coming to is up above the 88 here
yeah,
on the
exactly.
yeah.
So we really don't know where this is going to stop if it pushes up. Don't forget, these green lines change.
Yeah. Oh no, they yeah, absolutely change. Yeah.
So if this pushes up and makes a new high here, this green line on the daily could go, oh, wait, nope, we're going to go
Yeah,
up
yeah,
and
yeah.
show
Yeah.
you an up pattern.
Yeah. Mm,
And then once it breaks this high on the weekly, it's going to go, oh, now we're going to go up to the 88 on the weekly.
mm,
And the green line will change.
mm.
That's why you're tracking it as it moves across. It has to be, you have to track it as it moves sideways because it's
Yeah, no,
consolidating
I
all the
understand
time.
that. Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. Yes, it looks like it's going to sell out here. If it does, and I get into the buy and it only goes up so high, I'll get out and get it sell. But I'm looking at this as the 88 on a higher time frame.
Well, I'm
Yeah.
hoping this is going to sell out a bit further.
Yeah.
So
I'm sure you are.
hoping Tom's wrong on this one. I mean, if this sells out a bit further, gets me draw down to say, I don't know, 2 or 3%. I've already got in mind that if it doesn't look like it's going to continue,
You see,
I'd have to take a bit of a loss. So that's something I'm watching.
there's Tom's assessment and there's Darren hopefulness.
Yeah.
So, because what you want from your EA is you want it to actually sell euro.
We just need a stronger pullback, really. It can continue on. We just need a bit of a stronger pullback. So get out of those trades and then
Yeah.
ideally this week and then sort of start afresh.
Yeah,
Again
the
next
problem I
week.
have with the stronger pullback is it created a gold bar on the daily,
Yeah.
and now the price is now surpassing that gold bar on the daily. So I'm looking at this as a knuckle on the daily, which is going to be an indication going with the trend line, which is green. It's going to keep pushing up.
Yeah. You
Because
may
if
have
this
to
makes a
wait
new
a
high
bit,
here,
Darren.
that gold bar will disappear.
You may have to wait, Darren. There will be a pullback, but it might not just be yet.
Yeah.
It may push further up and then pull back. See, the thing is, you've got the interest rates being kept on hold in Europe, in the euro, and you've got stuff happening in the US, big stuff on Thursday. So we'll see. Something's going to happen. That's for sure.
Yeah, I'm
But
waiting for it to get up to that 88 on the
on the daily,
weekly and
yeah,
daily on that big time frame for the
yeah,
sell out.
yeah, before it drops right off.
Yeah.
How many EAs have you got that runs Euro USD? A whole heap, haven't you?
Well, yeah, 3 of them. I mean, I quite like the looks of this Euro stable. That I sent the video on that one. That's Euro
Yeah.
USD as well. But I do like the looks of that one. That's potentially my next acquisition, I think.
The next
But
one. Okay.
it's a lot. I'm putting a lot on Euro USD. That's the only thing.
Yeah. That in the greenhouse. Okay. Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. GBP AUD. This is what I'm looking at.
I've got to go actually, gents. So I'll
Yeah. Yeah. No worries.
catch you
All right,
tomorrow.
take care, dude.
Take
See
it
ya.
easy, mate. I hope you go
Yeah.
right with the stitches. I hope the nurse.
Yeah.
I hope the nurse looks pretty good.
It's just hanging around waiting to be seen tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's a bit like it. Too busy. Too busy. Right.
Mate, you
See.
can rip them out yourself. Come on, geez.
Well,
Get a bit.
some people do, but I'm not going to attempt it. I'm too squeamish.
Oh,
No.
okay.
So,
Right, yeah, no worries.
all
That's
right.
fair enough. All right,
Yeah.
see ya. See you
Yeah.
later, mate. Bye.
Later.
Okay, GA. Yeah. So,
I'm in this for the buy still.
yeah, it has pulled back a little bit, but I don't know. We'll see whether it's going to break the bottom here before it pushes back up again.
I don't know. I have my limit order on.
Okay. All right, GCAD. We'll keep going through these. Oh, I didn't find out about his karaoke song. Damn. Okay. Um, GCAD. Look at that takeoff. I think it's going to break the high for sure up on here. I really should be in this trade, but we'll just see. Okay. GBP That's 1, 2. Let's wait for a third. See if it doesn't break this high. It didn't come back up here to take out that wick. So potentially we're going to sell. This is the one, as I said, the other I'm buying. Anyway, GJ. God, look at that mess there. Up, down, up, down, up, down. It's nothing worth. I'm waiting for it to get ready for that proper sellout. GN, I don't like that either. No. GBP Singapore, not either. GU. Now, this is the one we're looking at. Now, should get into this. Well, shorter term sell. You reckon it's going to come down here and then push out? Look, it came up to 619 once, twice, three times. So actually only twice. Sorry, that one's not because that's part of the thing. So might be a short term bit of a grab, but then Thursday might just disrupt that. NZD CAD. All right, now I think that's getting ready for a
I'm still in this one.
in the buy. Yeah, I think it's going to come close to. So if you get a gold bar there, you're out of it, aren't you?
Uh, no, no, I'm waiting for it to come back up to the 618.
Okay. Well, let's see if that does. You'll have to make a break that most recent high there. All right.
Yeah, it's going to
NZD.
sweep this liquidity, is what it's going to do.
Yeah, that's what I was saying said before. There's a wick there. There's over here. It's got to come back, take some of that, and then drop back off again.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's good. You're in it. Lovely. NZDCHF. Oh, get over there. Ugh. NJ. No. NU. Now, this is the one. I think I was looking at this one to. Nah, that's. Where are we? Hang on. I'm going to have to. Oh, muck that up. Come back up here, match out there, and then drop off. I think it will. We've got that there. Yeah. I reckon that's what will happen. Rightio. Singapore Jet, because I think that green line will change. Singapore Japanese. Woo! Okay. No. Okay, you CAD. Now you were in this, weren't you? Didn't you get? Oh no, you were setting up to get into it.
Oh, no, I'm triggered in.
You are okay.
Mm-hmm.
In for the buy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Right now. USD CHF. What's the weekly doing here? And that's also selling out. Okay. Yeah, look at it. It wants to come back up to this week.
Mm-hmm.
I'd rather get this, let it play around a bit and then get out the longer term. So
That's exactly right.
yeah. Well, that's
It's
good to
pushing back
see.
up into your 50% box.
Yeah. Yeah.
As long as it's in that 50% box, it's going to go either way. So you're
Yeah.
betting against
Just gotta
yourself.
wait. Just gotta
Yeah,
wait.
exactly.
All right. UJ. It was interesting. Okay, let me come back here to this. I'll show you something that I'm observing. See on the daily, see where it's saying it's going to sell, buy back up, match out, and then sell back out again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you look though on the 2 hour here. See this point, see where it's going to dance around, come back up here potentially, and then sell out.
Mm-hmm.
If I hold the cursor just on there and you look at where that is over on the daily,
Mm-hmm.
this bit in here is not replicated anywhere near on the daily. That's fine, right? But this down here is in actual fact this down here. Does that make any sense? No, it
Yeah, one
doesn't
more
make
time.
sense. One more time.
Which one are you looking at on the daily?
All right, right. See this downtrend, the first piece
Yes.
of downtrend?
Yes.
That is in actual fact this piece of downtrend on the 2 hour. This W in here does not show up on the daily.
That's incorrect, Brian. Start at your far left at the bottom of the wick on your
Here.
daily, far left, all the way over to your left. Right there. You see where your cursor is over here on your right?
Yes.
Okay, now if you just travel up the candles real slow, you could see where it pulled back right there. Right.
Yeah. To there.
No. Go back to the beginning.
Right down there.
Okay,
Yeah.
push up a little bit, just a little bit. You see that first push and pull?
Yeah.
Just 3 candles up, 1, 2, 3. Keep going up a little bit, just a slightly. See where that knuckle was created right here? There you go, right
Yeah.
there. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's the beginning. So this is pushed up. See, go ahead and push up to the green line or the green candles. Right there, stop. Nope.
Yeah.
Halfway back. Halfway back. That green candle to your left.
Yeah. Oh, that one there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Now
Yeah.
look where your wicket. Now look where your cursor is over on the right.
Yeah. No, I understand that.
So that's not
I'm not
so.
saying that. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that where that is. If see the green line,
Yeah.
which is the forecast, okay?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
See this bit that where price was, where was it? Back on Friday, last Friday, and it
Yes. At the top.
dropped down here, and then it did a W, and then it's doing a W there, and then back up here, right? Can
Yes.
you okay? Over on the daily, that line going down,
Stops right
right?
there.
Yeah, stops there. Yeah. But it is in actual fact this green line here.
It's not.
Okay.
No, and I'm being sincere about that. It's not because do you see your green line on the 2 hour time frame where it starts at the top of the green line?
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
That's literally that red candle move on the daily down.
Yes.
It hasn't
But
created. It has not created this W yet.
correct. It hasn't created the W, but the W is not over here. So it's like as if on the daily, it's like as if this line goes from here straight down to there. There's none of this on the daily, and you wouldn't expect it to be. Does that make sense? Well,
Yes, I understand that there's no W there, but
yeah.
but that is the move. That line hasn't created yet.
Hang on. Let's come over here. Oh, still not. See the top of this returned? See over on the 2 hours where the crosshair is?
Yes.
It's at the 619, but it's way over to the right.
Wait, where's your cursor? Oh, there it
Okay.
is. Okay, 619. Yes.
See over on the 2 hours, you probably can't see it. See, it's just below that 619.
Yes.
So if I come across now to the top of that, where the cursor is actually at the top of that move, the current move down.
At the green line.
Correct, at the green line. Yeah, absolutely right. Yes, yes, yes. Right.
Right.
And so I'll come back out again now, just so that it's just my observations. So in actual fact, on the daily, it's just saying that price is going to sell back down here. It's going to be hard to hang on. I'll come back around again. Where it comes back down here.
And
Right, just
look where your line is on your 2 hour.
yeah. But
It comes
okay.
down to there.
No, okay. I've got to slide this across even further. If you see where that is, have a look at where my crosshairs are over on the 2 hour now.
Yes.
See where it is on the daily and where the crosshairs over are actually over on
Yes,
the 2 hour?
it's like 5 pips below the two double bottom there.
Correct.
Right.
Correct. All I'm saying is I'm noticing the difference between the 2 hour forecast green line and the daily or weekly where the green line is. And the daily is saying it's like a straight line where on the 2 hour, the green line is nowhere near where the daily, and that's understandable, but it's a straight projection of a cell, where on the 2 hour, there's this W and a pullback before it actually moves further down.
Which
That's
is
all.
the big green line on the daily.
No, it's
Yes.
not.
Okay, go to the
Yeah,
top of that line.
top of that there. Oh, I've got to pull this across again
No,
because
they
it's
don't have to
way
line
out.
up. Your mouse will line it up automatically. So what it's saying to you is you're going to have a move from your high to your low, which it just created, and then it's going to
Yeah,
pull back to the 619, and then
yeah,
it's going to push down. And
yeah,
all that's saying on the 2 hour, although it's
yeah.
following almost exactly on the daily what it's saying it's going to do,
Yes.
these green lines are going to fluctuate
Yes, of
even
course they
on
do.
the daily and the lower time frames.
Yeah,
So that's why I'm saying to you, I know you see it as, oh, this move has been created that just doesn't create the W on the on the higher time frame.
yeah.
Yeah, that's not necessarily true. It will show the W. It just hasn't created it yet.
Oh, okay. Right, yeah. Fair enough.
So on the daily, you're going to get pullbacks and everything else.
Yeah.
It just doesn't show it.
Yeah. Okay, and I've got to keep going. Sorry, I'll have to go soon.
Nope, that's okay.
Um, USD JPY. Yeah, it's good to discuss it, I tell you. No, don't
Well, I
want to.
just don't want you to be confused about it. That's all.
No, that's
Because this
fine.
shit gets tricky in your brain. I'll tell you.
I know it does. That's what I'm saying.
It
That's
just
why I
takes
was wanted.
it takes repetition to figure this shit out.
That's why I was talking about it. All
Yeah,
right.
I'm looking
Is
to get into the
this?
short on this.
Yeah, but this is Singapore. You don't have this.
Oh, this is
This is
not
US
UJ?
Singapore. No. UJ. Hang on. I'll go to UJ.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
No, USD Singapore, similar thing. Okay, gold is up to 3.6. Look at it. That's just, oh, we've got a little gold bar, but it doesn't mean that's going to do anything. We'll see. Look at that rocket up. That's just like, wow. 3,000 pips. Wow. That's a massive hike, isn't it?
Yep.
Massive. Silver even too, but it looks like it's gonna, you know, have a correction now. Bitcoin's only at 111 again, still just mulling around, and oil is at 62.5. So, all right, well that's it. Where's copper? Still down? Yeah, it's just dragging around now. And cocoa, oh that's good. Cocoa's back down to 7. Okay, rightio. All right, until so what was the karaoke song? Oh,
I'll go with ebony and ivory.
really?
Sure, why not?
Yeah, a bit of a. I was thinking about dancing in the moonlight, but
Hey, that's a good one too.
yeah, I quite like that.
I
Quite
did
like that.
all my friends in low places.
Oh, okay.
Brooke, I forget his name, something Brooks. I
Is
did
that
that in
is
Louisiana at a karaoke bar.
is that one about Mr. Orange?
No, 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 no. That's all.
Oh, they're
I've
talking
got
about the.
friends in low places where the whiskey flows and the beer chases the blues away. Yeah, Garth Brooks. That's it. Sang that drunk off my ass in Louisiana at a bar, at a karaoke bar. Had the whole corner of the block screaming it with me. It was awesome.
All right, till tomorrow. Take